Lexical, lexical, lexical. Meaning connected with words or with the vocabulary of a language rather than its grammar. We talk about lexical meaning when we focus on what a word itself means. Examples: 1. The lexical meaning of cold relates to low temperature. 2. This exercise helps students build their lexical range. You may also hear lexical choice, meaning which word someone decides to use. For instance, her lexical choice sounded very formal for a casual chat. Grateful for your time today. Catch you soon. Bye.